Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to bring MS Access database tables data into a workbook as a pivot table report. Okay, so how to bring MS Access database tables here to use it in a pivot table report. Okay, go to data. I have a new workbook here, and go to data. In data you can see get external data. Okay, this one will give you this one can enable you to bring different external data into your workbook. Okay, in this part what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the data from the Access, but not only just bringing the data, I am going to use it in the pivot table report. Okay, so what I'm doing here is that go to from Access. Okay, I have my MS Access database table is remaining in the database folder AdventureWorks. Okay, it is the AdventureWorks.accdb. You can see the 4 types which you can bring it to through this method: the MDB and MDE, or the older versions database MS Access database files, and this one is a .accdb, and accde is the new version MS Access database. Okay, so I will just click on the file and open. When you open it, asks you for the what all the tables you want to bring it. Okay, so I'll select only one table. If you want multiple tables, you must enable the selection of multiple tables and bring the data. Okay, so what I'll do is I will do only one table, which is human resource employee. Okay, and press OK. Then what happens, it is asking for import data. How do you want the data to be shown in your data in your workbook? So after importing, you can bring it as a table. For me, I want the pivot table report. Okay, so how do you bring the pivot table reports? I will show to you in few seconds once we press the OK. Okay, then you import the data, press OK. You see the pivot table report customization is here. Okay, you can see the analyze ribbon tab is activated, and you have the pivot table and their respective pivot table fields to be chosen. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to check how many employees are males and females. Okay, so I'm doing the analyze gender and employee ID, and this one I want to make it as count. See, there are totally 84 females and 206 males are there. Okay, this way you can bring the MS Access data into the pivot table report, and you start working on the pivot table pivot table report as if the data is already there in the worksheet. Okay, so this data is imported into the workbook, and you can just play around with this data. I will also see the title, the female itself, how many different titles are available. Similarly for the male, or you can go the gender this way. You'll see accountant 1 female and 1 male, accounts manager is the male, account payable specialist is 1 female 1 male. Okay, this is the way you bring your data and analyze it using the pivot table. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you to bring MS Access tables into your MS Excel worksheet. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my videos, and you have any comments or suggestions to improve, please leave it in the comment section, and it is open for public. And you please subscribe to my channel so that you can notified when we upload new videos. And God bless you.